coming to church. Focus on God. Someone went to the pastor and said, "I won't be attending church anymore." Pastor replied, "May I ask why?" The person said, "I see people on their cell phones during the service. Some are gossiping, some just ain't living right. They are all just hypocrites." The pastor, after a silent pause, replied, "Okay, but can I ask you to do something for me before you make your final decision?" The person replied, "What's that?" Pastor said, "Take a glass of water and walk around the church 2 times and don't let any water fall out the glass." The person replied, "Yes, I can do that." The person came back and said, "It's done." The pastor had 3 questions for the person. Did you see anybody on their phone? Did you see anybody gossiping? Was anybody living wrong? The person replied, "I didn't see anything because I was so focused on this glass so the water wouldn't fall." Pastor replied, "When you come to church, you should be just that focused on God so that you don't fall. That's why Jesus said, 'Follow me.' He did not say follow Christians. Don't let your relationship with God be determined by how others relate with God. Let it be determined by how focused you are on God."